now I'm going to show you how to set a default speaker and how to pair a Bluetooth speaker to your individual Echo device. So you can pair a Bluetooth speaker individually to one of the Echo devices that you have, and then you can set it as a default speaker. That way, whenever you ask it to play music or anything like that, it'll go ahead and play it off the default Bluetooth speaker that you've added. There's also Wi-Fi enabled, Alexa speakers that you can use as default and other things like that. But we're going to go over how to do the Bluetooth one. It'll also kind of show you how to set up those other ones. It's pretty easy once you get to the settings page. So first we want to go ahead and go to devices. And we want to go ahead and select on the Echo devices here. And from here, you want to select the device you want to change the default speaker for. So for me, it's the Office Dot, or the one you want to add a Bluetooth speaker to. So the first thing we want to do is select Bluetooth devices. And it's going to ask us to pair a new device. Okay, but the first thing you want to do is take your Bluetooth speaker, make sure it's turned on and in pairing mode. And each Bluetooth speaker is a little different. So just make sure you know how to put that one in pairing mode. Usually there's a pairing button that you hold or something like that. So now mine's in pairing mode, so I'm going to select pair a new device. It's going to search for devices. And there we go, my device has shown up. It's the Move, so I'm going to select that. There we go, we can see that it's paired. And if I hit the drop down, I can disconnect or forget it. But we're good now. So I'm going to go ahead and tap cancel. Now we can see we have one Bluetooth device paired. And now we can change the default speaker by going to Connected Devices and selecting Speaker and tap on Change. Now you can see we can choose the Bluetooth speaker and click Next. And there's also the Wi-Fi speakers up here, but I don't have any. But you can go ahead and select from those if you want to. I'm going to select Next. And you can see it's now selected the device here, so I can just hit cancel. I don't have to tap it or anything because I only have the one device. If you had more options, you could do that if you wanted to. Okay, so that's how you go ahead and pair a Bluetooth speaker, as well as making it your default speaker for this Echo device. So now whenever I tell it to play a song, as long as my Bluetooth speaker is on, it's going to, and connected to it, it's going to play out of that Bluetooth speaker that I've now set. You can always click change and go back to the built-in speaker and click save for your default if you want to, and you can always go and unpair the device as well. Hopefully this video helps, and if it does, go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this on how to make your technology work better for you. Thanks.